Hello everyone and welcome to ICT Kikawa College Massage Therapy School. I'm going to demonstrate another full body stretch, this time for the anterior segment that is going to hit the Iliopsoas, Rectus Femoris and some of the abdominal crust that is lining the vertebral column and connects the muscles to the diaphragm. Andrew, can you please lie down on your stomach with your face in the hole? So again, I'm going to stack several different joints and move them at the same time. So I'm going to flex the knee and then I'm going to get a grip at the femur. I'm going to move your arm to the side. Then I'm going to start extending the femur while the knee is flexed. And when I get to the end range, I'm going to take the opposite shoulder and lean back. And I'm going to see both his entire body. Now, this full body stretch takes advantage of the fact that there is a fascial continuity between the anterior compartment of the leg, the quadricep muscle group, the iliopsoas, the left and right crust of the abdominal wall, and the thoracic diaphragm. And this is going to stretch the entire leg, not just the individual muscle groups that we normally think of as extending from the origin and the insertion. Just like every other stage, we hold this for about 30 seconds, and different clients may feel it at different parts of the body. Some of them will feel it in the groin, some of them in the abdomen, some of them may even hit the quadricep muscle group. And release.